Thousands of seniors visit joint clinics every year, and what doctors see is alarming. The simple, healthy routines many rely on are quietly damaging knees, hips, and spines after 60. For decades, walking has been called the best exercise for older adults. Yet even those walking 10,000 steps a day often develop joint pain, cartilage wear, and leg weakness. Walking alone isn't enough. The body needs targeted movements that rebuild strength, improve circulation, and restore stability. That's why these 3 surgeon-approved exercises are so powerful. Safe, effective, and clinically proven, they strengthen legs, hips, balance, and improve mobility. Now, let's begin with the first exercise. 1. Single leg stance. The first exercise is the single leg stance. This movement is essential for stability and fall prevention. To perform it, stand on one leg while holding onto a chair or wall for support. Hold the position for about 30 seconds, then switch sides. As you improve, aim to reach 1 minute on each leg. You can make it more challenging by lightly tapping your free foot in different directions or briefly closing your eyes. Practicing this exercise 2 to 3 times per week strengthens stabilizing muscles and improves coordination, helping you move with more confidence. 2. Calf raise. This movement plays a key role in circulation by helping pump blood back toward the heart. To do it, stand upright, hold on to a support, raise your heels to stand on your toes, and then lower them slowly. Start with 10 to 15 repetitions and gradually increase to 30 or more each day. You can also try single-leg variations or even perform the movement while seated. Doing this exercise daily helps reduce swelling, improve blood flow, and keep your legs feeling lighter and more active. The third exercise is the side leg raise. This exercise strengthens the hip muscles, which are essential for stability during walking. While holding onto a chair or wall, lift one leg out to the side without leaning your body. Pause briefly, then return to the starting position. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. Over time, this improves control, strengthens your hips, and reduces the risk of falls. Consistency is what matters most. Just a few minutes each day can help you feel stronger, more stable, and more confident in your movements.